What's up, guys? It is 111 degrees this afternoon. I got like 60 miles in by 1:30 here. I'm killing it today. Yeah. Ow. Everything here just wants to kill you. 95 south, guys, bordering the Mojave Desert. Squirrel. 9:30. I got 30 miles in so far. Working my way down to Vital. That's like the only place I can grab water around here. I have a little bit of a wind coming head on today, and it's keeping me pretty cool. But trying to get to Vital as soon as I can. Get some ice cream. About done with this trip, man. That's crazy, right? I'm just gonna be done in a couple days. Looking forward to working on that bus and getting that really on the road. Or, I mean, it's on the road, but being comfortable in it on the road, I guess. Yeah, it's hot, man. Everybody's stopping and waving. Everybody's kind of waving and beeping today. A lady stopped and gave me some water. I got a wind blowing. There it is. It is hot as hell. Riding right along the Mojave Desert here, guys. I'm definitely going to be sleeping in something like this tonight. There's really nowhere to stop out here. Nothing to stop and look at. And it's just a lot of riding. Best bet's just to ride, so it's gonna be a big day. I am beat to death in this heat, man. Ugh. So anyway, guys, yeah, it said it was 111 today at one point. Now it says it's 102. But yeah, I've been here for the last 2 hours. I fell asleep for an hour. Got a lot of water. It's about 16 miles west of 29 Palms, California. Yeah, heck of a day the other day, guys. I ran out of water out there in the middle of the desert. I had to stop at somebody's house and fill up the bottles. I mean, it was just 111 degrees. I was really in rough shape when I limped into town. I was having some serious muscle cramping. There was some vomiting, dealing with some heat exhaustion, and I don't think it was like heat stroke. You know, I didn't have like all of the symptoms. I was just dehydrated like crazy. I couldn't get enough, you know, I couldn't get enough water. And also the water I was drinking was 111 degrees, man. It's like the worst thing ever. Anyway, I took a day off in 29 Palms and just drank Gatorade all day. And I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling strong. The bike feels pretty light. Here in Yucca Valley, guys, I changed up my route a little bit just because they're going through this heat wave. It's gonna be 106 degrees today. It's 8 o'clock, it's already 82. I'm gonna head 6 miles south to Morongo Valley and assess the heat situation there. I probably could have used another day of rehydration, but I don't know, I'm just inching into it. It's turning into another one of those desert things, man. There's just nowhere to go, and that sun's starting to come down. So anyway, I took a look over the side of this bridge as I was going over. It looked like there were tire tracks and stuff like that. So I thought, you know, it looked like a pretty nice place to hang out. Turns out to be the PCT, man. I almost missed it. Holy crap. A Pacific Crest Trail, guys, and the PCT goes from Mexico to Canada. It's a hiking trail, if you don't know. It's like 2,600 miles long. Just to hike a long distance trail again. This is the trail that I would do. Starting at Campo, California at the Mexican border and heading north to Canada. Whitewater, California, and this is 209.5 miles in on the PCT. 2021 northbounders have been signing their names, and I don't see any dates that are after May 16th is kind of the latest that I was seeing. It's pretty hot down here. I don't know, guys, I might just take a break here for the rest of the day. I got 50 miles in by 11, and I might just be hanging out here till like 4 or 5, and then see if I can get another 10 or 20. These are some weird bike touring days, I gotta say. I'm not good with just like stopping for huge periods of time. This heat is just really something awful. Probably cool enough for me to take off. I just happen to be still hanging out. Starting to run low on water. I don't want to cut into the hiker's supply here. I got a couple gas stations coming up pretty soon. But yeah, still hanging out.